Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So finally Samsung has started rolling out OneUi 9 Beta 4 update for the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, and it took almost 1 month for Samsung to release this new OneUi 9 Beta 4 update, because last update was 1 month ago, which was OneUi 9 Beta 3, and everyone was expecting that Samsung will add tons of new features in this OneUi 9 Beta 4 update. Now let me go to settings and let me show you what Samsung did or what Samsung has added in this update. So if I go to software update and if I tap on check for updates, I'm in already beta 3. So this is the beta 4 update, as you can see, and this is the change log. And after seeing the changelog, I was very disappointment. Obviously, as I told you, it took Samsung to release 1 month for this new OneUi 9 Beta 4 update. And even me, I was expecting that Samsung will add a lot of new features, etc, etc. Okay, but after seeing this changelog, here you can see they have already only saying that they have fixed the bugs, they have improved the issues, etc. For example, they says they have improved that clock size. Yeah, I faced that issue whenever I applied that adaptive clock. It was uneven. Yes, so they are saying they have fixed it, and also they are saying they have fixed the quick panel issue, and also they are saying they have fixed some more issues like the Bluetooth, etc, etc, but they have not mentioned any new features here. And even if I tap on this link, also if I go in this link here, also you can see there is no change log. Okay, let me show you the size of the update. The update size is around 1100 MB, and it comes with July security page update, which is good. The only good thing about this update is this July security page update. Now let me download this update and install it and use this update for a few minutes. Then I will see if they have added new features or what improvement they have made, because sometimes what happens, they doesn't mention the new features, small new features in this changelog, but after updating you will find tons of or sometimes small new features. So let me install this update and meet you after updating this. Alright guys, I just updated my Samsung Galaxy S26 to OneUi 9 Beta 4, and we will talk about this update. Is there any new features or any new changes? But before that, let me go to settings and let me show you my software information that I'm in the latest version. As you can see, the July security page update, just now we got this update, right? So talking about the new features, as I told you that I'm using this update for 50 to 20 minutes and I searched every new settings, okay, and I did not find any new features. Now, in terms of performance, I think they have improved the animations, the overall performance. It's very smooth now. Opening and closing the apps are very smooth. And when I scroll down the quick panel also, now it's pretty smooth. In OneUi 9 Beta 3, it was lagging a bit, but now it's very smooth. Now, talking about the changes, the first change I notice is very weird. After updating, if you are noticing here, my battery icon and the network icons is very large. I don't know it's a good thing or it's a bad thing, but it is very large. So I also messaged a friend who have S26 Ultra, and I asked him. He said he did not notice any difference in the battery and the network size. But in Samsung Galaxy S26, after updating, you can see the battery icon and the network icon is too big. For comparison, let me show you. This is the screenshot before I make update. You can see before doing update, I took a screenshot. You can clearly see the battery icon and the network icon is too small. Now after update, you can see it's too big. So I don't know, it's a good thing, it's a bad thing, but definitely it's not looking good here because it's too big. So yeah, this is the first change I noticed after updating. And also they said that they have fixed that clock issue, right? But I think instead of fixing, they have, I think, added more bugs. For example, let me lock my phone, and if I press over here, and here you will notice that if I move my wallpaper, the adaptive clock is not working. Previously in OneUi 9 Beta 3, it was working fine. Like if I move the wallpaper, the clock used to adjust. Okay, you can see this one, I don't know this will work or not. This one is also not working. So I asked one of my friend, he said we have to uninstall the Lockstar plugin. So let me uninstall the Lockstar plugin and let me try again if this adaptive clock will work or not after that. So guys, I just uninstalled the Good Lock plugin, which is Lockstar. You can see there is no Lockstar written over here. And after installing the Lockstar also, the adaptive clock, it's not working. So instead of fixing the glitches or bugs, they are adding more bugs. After a month also, they did not added new features. Instead, they are saying that they have fixed the bugs, but I don't think they have fixed the bugs. There are more bugs. As you can see, this adaptive clock is not working. Not even the older version also, it's not working. All right, guys. So this is the OneUi 9 Beta 4 for you guys. So obviously the performance is fine. Okay, I did not notice any lag, and I noticed that they have improved the animations, okay, while closing and opening the apps, and while scrolling down the quick panel, while going to settings and coming back to home screen. It's everything working fine, but the glitches I show you, the lock screen adaptive clocks are not working, and also they haven't added any new features, and also this got too much larger. I don't know how. So yeah guys, this is the quick review of OneUi 9 Beta 4. So guys, if you have Samsung Galaxy S26, let me know in the comment, did you face this issue, like the clock adaptive clock issue, and also this huge, what we call this, battery and network icon getting huge? Did you get this? Let me know in the comment. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. I hope so in OneUi 9 Beta 5 update, Samsung will add lot of new features including app lock. Bye, have a great day, take care.